a very dark trunk. I have been dreading this for a very long time. So, Power Magic Ultra Battery B124, 6,000 milliamp hours. This is it. It is worth $350 US. It powers the dash cam independently from your car battery. It is very nice. It is very cool. It has an app. It is probably the biggest flex I think you could do in the car industry. It's cool you got the high-end dash cam and the rims and this and that and the other. But when you have this battery, this is when you know you've made it. So I guess this means I've made it. But I've had it for a while, and I've been dreading putting it in because I dreaded putting my other dash cam in because I'm just not that great with wiring. So this kit actually comes with all of the adapters that you can select with the other ones. So all kinds of different fuse adapters, and it comes with the fuses as well. So I did put it in right there. See how well I can get this. It is right here. That is the amplifier for the Camaro. So it comes up, you need at least a 20 amp fuse. It's a 30, so I got the 20 and the 30 in there. This wire runs up, connects to your accessory. Please ignore the mess in here. I'm working on a subwoofer, and I have the wiring for my battery, trailer lights and stuff. So this will all get cleaned up at some point, as well as the battery positive there. The yellow line's got to come out because that's for the old one. But I'm just kind of trial and erroring right now. I did connect the ground up there. I don't usually do body grounds. I'm just not a big fan of drilling holes into the body. I would rather run it to the battery where you know you get a perfect ground. So that being said, you literally just connect the positive, connect the ground. This is a light that I use for filming because I couldn't find a work light, but it actually looks pretty good. So that's it. From here, I should be able to, on the back here, there should be a switch. We're going to click that to hardwire. We're going to take this plug here. This is the other end. It's, I know, pretty anticlimactic. So there's two things you got to remember. You do not want a live fuse when the car's off because you don't want to drain your battery to charge this while the car's off. This is incredibly nice, by the way. Like, the aluminum feel here is incredibly nice. I would love to upgrade my car to a lithium ion because it's a lot smaller, and like build a mount in there for this as well. That would be pretty slick. So once you get that, you then take this little jabberoni, I believe. We have a light, which means I think it's working. Nope, that's the... We did get it. I was missing this little dongle that goes from the actual device to the piece itself. I guess I had put it in the box with the camera. So I'm going to show you guys this because this is pretty wild. So you pull up your phone, BlackVue, close that, BlackVue battery. Look at that. How insane is that? The battery gets its own app. I can check and see it. See how it's running. Unbelievable. This is actually really insane. So finally, dash cam is fully installed. I've been, like I said, postponing it because I get a little stressed out when I get into the wiring, as you can tell. I gotta still rip all the subwoofer out, clean it all up. I gotta finish the sub box so it looks pretty, get everything else sorted. But for now, that is how to install it. It does come with Velcro, that's 2-way tape that you can stick it to something. The logical spot for me would probably be to put it right here, like lengthways, which I may or may not do, or I might even just leave it in the bottom there. I might just wrap it. I guess you don't want to wrap it in a cloth because you want it to breathe because it needs to cool, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. I mean, maybe I'll even migrate it up here and we'll stick it up here or something. I don't know. I mean, there's some tabs here which were for body clips, but maybe I can modify something or tweak something. I have no idea, but it will be nice to get this sub box finished and wrapped, and that'll be hinged and gas shocks, and it'll work pretty slick. So that's it for now. BlackVue battery install. I'm actually extremely excited about it. It will open up new opportunities, and I'm looking forward to seeing how long it lasts. So that's it. Till next time, drive safe, take care, and behave as always.